In today's video, I'm going to show you how I used my Metaverse page over here and Fiverr.com to generate over $45,000 in net revenue on my online store over here. I'm going to show you exactly how you can go and replicate this. My online store sells all sorts of services such as web development, web hosting, domain hosting, email hosting, and mostly IT related products. The best thing is I don't perform a single service myself on my corporate websites over here. All I do is I outsource all of these services over here, such as network infrastructure, hardware and peripherals, repairs and upgrades, through experts on Fiverr.com. I don't do a single thing, and I'm earning anywhere between 100% and 200% markup per sale that I make, and all I'm doing is I'm transferring the service from Fiverr.com to my clients on my Metaverse page over here. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can go and set up a business like this. I'm going to show you some of my results over here. This is the total net profit of my store in its first year, $45,000, which is not a massive amount of money, but considering all of this is done completely for free, I haven't spent any money on ads. I've been using free organic traffic, and it doesn't really take much work at all. All you've got to do is take 10 minutes a day and just transfer the services from Fiverr to your clients. And I'll reload this over here to show you. This is my live dashboard on Cartra.com, which is the website I use to host my landing pages. If I come over here to all time, you'll see over here, this has now been refreshed. So this is the tool I use to host all of my landing pages and sell my specific service through my Metaverse page over here. So in today's video, I'm going to show you all my tips, secrets, and tricks on how you can set this up. Start your own agency where you can sell all of these high income services over here, such as graphic and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, NFT services, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, which is the category I use and that I recommend, because here you will find the most high ticket and highest selling services. You can offer business services such as customer care support, presentations for businesses, data entry. You can offer lifestyle like traveling, fitness lessons, gaming, online tutoring, training as well at the moment, such as NFT art, NFT services. So you can also go and make use of the trending tab, because these are the services that are selling the most in the world at the moment. The best thing is you can use the Metaverse or your Metaverse page in any service over here. You can run multiple businesses at the same time. This is honestly one of my most favorite and most powerful ways to make money online. And this is what I used to do full time in 2021. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you would know that I've moved to drop servicing part time and focusing on trading full time. But this is still an excellent model that I still run today. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I used to make money online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go and set up your own corporate website and go and sell high ticket services such as web development, web programming, designing mobile apps, cybersecurity, all sorts of other services as well, which you can completely choose yourself. I recommend choose a service or a business niche that you like or enjoy, as there's no better way to design a business and run a career out of something that you love. And go and start your own Metaverse page, how to get tons of organic traffic over here. Like my one post that I posted, I think it was about 2 weeks ago, is already on 315,000 views, which generated a lot of traffic and sales for my business over here. I'm going to show you how to set all of this up completely for free. There's not a single cent that we need to spend on in this video. On top of everything that I'm going to give you in this value-packed video, I'm also going to go and give you your own done-for-you drop servicing agency funnel that you can just go and change with the drag and drop editor to suit your product. So the example of this particular funnel focuses on book cover designs, which is under writing and translation over here on Fiverr.com, but you can go and customize this entire funnel for your specific product by changing the text and changing the images over here. So here you'll see this particular book design funnel over here gives you the 3 different packages that we offer: basic, standard, and pro, which is just from Fiverr.com at about 50 to 300% markup. Once they check out with a particular service, it will take them through a registration page where they need to give you all the information about their service. For example, the author to appear on the book cover, the title, the genre, the subtitle or tagline, the blurb, and any additional notes. Now, obviously this you can all go and change according to your service. So for example, if you're offering a web design service, these fields would be different, and you would just have the name of the website, the niche of the website, website, for example, a photography, a blog, an online store, any title and what specific products, and then a final complete order checkout over here where they can go and pay for your particular service. And then all you're going to do is just come over to Fiverr.com and transfer that to your clients over here. Now, I've been using my Metaverse page over here to get tons of traffic to my particular service over here. And I'm going to show you how you can go and copy and paste this entire funnel to your account without having to design anything yourself. So the first thing you're going to go and do is you're going to come over to a website, facebook.com, and you want to go and start off by creating your Facebook page or your Metaverse page. When choosing a niche over here, for example, if you want to do digital marketing, writing and translation, let's, for example, go and use the purpose of NFTs for today's example, because that is trending right now. You want to come over to Google and go and search NFT business name generator. Click on enter over here. You can go and click on, for example, NFT name generator over here, and this is the generator of the page that you want to go and use for your Facebook page. So let's go and use Catchy over here. We've got, for example, aliens abduction, koalas in love, ultra cool dogs, light embrace, 3D me. So all of these names over here you can go and use as an idea for your Facebook page name, as your Facebook page name must relate to the service that you're offering. And if you want to go and design your own icon and thumbnail or your cover, that's what you call it over here, you can come over to canva.com. That's all I did, and I used the basic templates of Canva. Just change the images and text. For example, just type on the search bar logo over here, and you can go and click on circle logo, and you can go and choose from any of these templates over here for the logo of your Facebook page. You can also come over to the search bar again, search up cover. We want to go and look for search up Facebook on the search bar, and you'll see over here you can go and get let's just go and search Facebook. You can get tons of ideas and templates for your Facebook page cover over here. So for example, if we're in NFTs, you can go and click on this one over here, this cool blue one. We can go and open this up in a design tab, and we can go and use the name over here. Let's use 3D me NFT designs, and we can have, for example, NFT company, and then our website link over here, and we can just go and change this picture to a random NFT image, for example, Bored Ape, or you can just go and replace this image. Let's go and see if we can actually find an NFT image on Canva. Here's a good, for example, a good template you can use over here as well, quite a nice one. But it's just pretty simple. You can go and use any template on canva.com and go and upload that to your Facebook page. And the biggest secret I have in growing a Facebook page, you'll see over here, I've posted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 posts on this page over here. I already have 4,000 followers, 4,400 on just 4 posts over here. And that's because I've been using the power of Facebook Reels. My first post over here, I had 0 followers, 0 likes. My page was brand new. This video got 3,300 views, 2,800 on my second post. My third post got 4,000 views. This one I posted this morning in the first 20 minutes, already on 273. This was my 4th post over here 2 weeks ago, 315,000 views, which blew up my page, got me tons of sales on my drop servicing store. Now, the reason why these videos blow up so quickly is because Facebook Reels is trying to compete with TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. So they are really pushing out content creators that are posting Facebook Reels. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how we can go and use Metaverse Reels to blow up our drop servicing business. The best way to go and create Reels that blow up is come over to tiktok.com, go and search, for example, NFTs or anything in the niche that you drop servicing. And you can, for example, there's 2 ways you can go about this. You can either make your own version of content like these people are creating over here. For example, this guy is basically giving you a quick tutorial on TikTok on how to go and create your own NFTs. You can either go and create your own version of this, or if you want to, you can go and repost this on your own page and just go and give them credit. So all you need to do is you just go and click on this TikTok over here. Just go and pause it. Go and copy the link of this TikTok. You want to come over to Google and just type TikTok, download without watermark. click on enter. It will be the first link over here called savetiktok.cc. Go and paste your URL here, click on search, and you'll be able to go and download this to your PC as an MP4 format without the watermark. It's very important that you download it without the watermark, because then the Facebook Reel algorithm won't pick this up as a repost from TikTok. And you'll see over here now, there is no TikTok watermark on this video. So you can go and post this then on your Facebook page as a Facebook Reel. Just go and type in the caption or the comments, credit to, what's their page name? Cryptoneers Club on TikTok.com, and a lot of pages blow up quickly. You'll see if you scroll through the Facebook video section, a lot of those pages are just reposting content and going viral by just giving them credit. So you can go and do that, but I also recommend, if you want to create the best brand for yourself, is go and produce this content in your own unique way, like I'm doing over here. And your Facebook page will blow up quickly. You will get one video that will blow up to a couple of thousand views, even one perhaps 100,000 views over here. And I mean, I'm still brand new on my Facebook page over here, only posted 5 posts, and my one already blew up to 315,000 views. And all I did was put a TikTok that already existed in my own words and in my own way, and it absolutely blew up, which is exactly what I taught you right now, how to blow up your Facebook page. Then we obviously need to now go and set up our drop servicing business, now that we know how to go and get traffic off of Facebook. So the first platform you're going to come to when designing your drop servicing business is called Kartra.com. Now you can go and get Kartra, I think it's 30 days for just $1, and you get access to all the premium tools, or you can go and use this website over here. It doesn't really matter, both do the same, builderall.com. What's nice about Builderall, you do get a free trial, which is free for 30 days. With Kartra, it's $1 for 30 days, and then you pay your monthly plan from there. But you can go and use the strategy in the first 30 days to pay off your Kartra account, so that you don't really have to pay for Kartra out of your own pocket. Once you've got Kartra or Builderall over here, I'll leave links for them down below. You want to come over to your Kartra dashboard, which looks like this over here. You'll get an email to the login once you've signed up on Kartra. The next thing you want to do is you want to come over to My Campaigns over here. Come over to My Campaigns. And over here, I've got the entire book cover drop servicing agency funnel for you guys. In order for you guys to go and import this to your account, you'll see at the bottom right of your screen, there's a big import button that says import a campaign, and you need to go and enter the campaign share code. So what I'm going to do is, if you want to get this share code, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel with the red notification bell on, leave a like, follow me on Instagram, and you can have a chat with me over there, and I'll leave a pinned comment down below for you guys with the share campaign code. Once you've imported that, it will look like this. You need to go and click on deploy campaign over here. Just go and type in a prefix. For example, you can just type here drop serve, go and click on import over here. I've already imported, and then you need to come over to my pages over here, and it will look like this. All the pages, which is just these 3 over here, 1, 2, 3, will appear on your pages tab, and you can go and edit them, publish them live, change them according to the NFT. So for example, let's go and edit the home page. So you can go and click on the 3 dots, click on edit over here, and it will take you to the live page editor of the Kartra page builder. On this next page, it's really simple to go and design. So since the name of our company is that name, we just 3D Me, we can come over to our live page editor over here. We can go and double click on the text over here. Get professionally NFT designs from America's #1 NFT design company. So again, you're just adjusting the text to suit your business. In our case, NFT design. This logo over here, which is an image, you're just going to go and upload your logo, your NFT logo that you've designed on Canva.com. All of these images of book covers over here, you can come over to Fiverr.com, just come over to trending, click on NFT art, and we want to go and find a service provider. We can go and use any one of these guys, but what I recommend you look for is the amount of reviews and their total star rating. So I don't usually choose anyone that has a less than 4.9 stars, and they at least must have 50 reviews or more, which tells me they are experienced, either level 2 or top rated seller as well. Or if they say Fiverr's choice over here, I won't use, for example, this guy, they haven't got any level or top rated seller. So we, for example, can come over to this gig over here, and you can click on these images, go and save them to your PC, just right click download. You can come back to your page over here, delete this image, and go and change your image. So we're going to go and click on components, go and look for image, drag the image over here on your page, click on edit pen over here, click on no image selected, click on upload image, and go and upload the same image that we just downloaded off of Fiverr. Select the image that you just uploaded, click on confirm over here and click on apply. And this is what your image now looks like. So again, when it comes to designing this page, it's literally just changing the text, changing the images to suit your service. You don't have to go and redesign the entire page. The whole template is here for you. And every time someone checks out with your service over here, you just come over to Fiverr, and remember your client has already paid you first. And I would usually go and add, let me just change this to USD so that you guys can understand the pricing, United States dollar. So for example, if this service is selling for, I think it's about $40. Okay, for some unknown reason that's not changing, but 674 ZAR is the same as about $40. You're going to go and add your price of $99. Which is about 100% markup, which is simple. You can just go and change on your page over here. And when someone goes and checks out with their service, they've already paid you $99. You're going to come over to Fiverr, pay them $40 and keep $59 in your pocket while they do all the work. And all you need to do is when they're done, you'll get a message and then you can go and transfer that service to your client that ordered off your webpage. And that leads us to step number 2. Now that we've got a way on how to design our content, how to go and design our landing page, all you need to go and do is leave a link in your bio over here, or in the comments or caption of every TikTok, you can go and type link over here to design your own NFT from America's #1 NFT design company. And you can leave a link to your page over there. And what I like about this particular funnel over here, it's immediately well branded off the bat. It doesn't look like any kind of cheap website. You can see a lot of effort was put into this. So this immediately boosts your brand. When people land on this, they think of quality, and it immediately increases the conversion rate of your click to sale ratio. So if you want to go and add this entire funnel to your Kartra account, there's the pinned comment down below with the share code that you can go and import to your page, just like I showed you. And now that you know how to go and design your own content or make your own content and how to create your Metaverse page, all you need to do is just post consistently and your page will blow up pretty quickly, especially in the trending niche of NFTs right now. But again, this will work with anything. Just because maybe web development isn't trending doesn't mean you can't blow up in that specific niche. So what I'm going to do is to help you out even more. If you want to learn more about Kartra, designing your own landing pages, and if you want to learn more specifically about drop servicing and selling services and how I created multiple businesses along my road, in this playlist over here, I've documented every single journey for you guys. So this playlist on my right hand side will be my entire drop servicing playlist, how I've created funnels with Kartra, Builderall, WordPress as well, in selling my own services of Fiverr. And this particular playlist over here is my Kartra training, which will focus specifically on Kartra.com and how you can go and design your landing pages and drop servicing agencies over here. So if you want to go and scale more with this, I recommend choose one of these playlists over here, and I'll see you over there.